How to send Canva presentation to Gmail. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how you can easily send your Canva presentation on your Gmail. So first thing, simply head over to canva.com and make sure you have currently logged into your account and just choose any of the template or just create a new presentation slide for your presentation. And once you successfully create it, you can always tap on the share button and just click on download from over here, or you can also actually copy the link if you like to share the link rather than downloading file. You can also do so by simply heading over to this button over here and just copy it and simply share it to different social media including Gmail. But in this example I have already downloaded this as a PDF file, this PowerPoint presentation as a PDF file, so you can always convert it to PPTX based on your choice. And for now I'll simply head back to my Gmail and simply tap on this compose button over here, and I can basically choose my recipient to whom I want to send this file, and I'll simply give a sample name over here, sample file let's say, and I'll just tap on this paperclip icon over here and just choose the file which I've just downloaded, that is my presentation slide, and simply open it. You can also send it as a PPTX file, but for now I'm sending it as a PDF file, and I'll simply tap on the send file just like this to successfully send the file to that particular person. That is exactly how you can easily send your PowerPoint presentation slide on your Gmail. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.